factory, where our journey begins in the lush cocoa farms. In these tropical harvesting, the beans undergo fermentation and drying, essential processes that develop the rich flavors characteristic of fine chocolate. Once the beans arrive at our factory, we meticulously roast them to enhance their unique flavor profiles. Post-roasting, the beans are cracked and winnowed to separate the nibs from the shells, isolating the purest part of the cocoa. These nibs are then ground into a fine paste known as cocoa mass, or cocoa liquor, the foundation of our chocolate creations. Through pressing, we separate the cocoa mass into two distinct components, cocoa butter and cocoa powder. This process allows us to craft a 100 kilogram batch of milk chocolate. We precisely blend 48 kilograms of sugar, 15 kilograms of cocoa mass, 22 kilograms of cocoa butter, 14.5 kilograms of cocoa powder, 5 kilograms of whole milk powder, 9.5 kilograms of skim milk powder, 350 grams of soy lecithin. Each ingredient is selected for quality, refined in our state-of-the-art ball mill, achieving a smooth and homogeneous chocolate mass. After refining, the chocolate is transferred to dedicated holding tanks, maintaining the purity of each variety, milk, dark, and white. The tempered chocolate is then poured into molds.